Hi everyone, today I want to solve the physical security intro from TryHackMe. And so let's start. First we need to watch these two movies, like they say. This one from Deviant is cool. After this, I have watched this. Okay. And now let's dive deeper. Let's try solve something. Using an angle cut to lock open. What type of entry is this? It's overt. Lockpicking could be considered what type of entry? Also overt. No, it's covered. Thinking. Log bypassing can be considered what type of entry? Also covered. Taking a photo of a key, decoding it and duplicating it can be considered what it's number 2, 3. Determining the combination of a safe through surveillance can be considered is number 3. Breaking a window to gain entry. It's number 1 over. Okay. What is the name of the tool which is used to apply torch to the core of a lock when picking? Extension wrench. What is the term used for picking a single pin at a time? Single pin picking. Next. What is the abbreviated command used to reference the above answer? SPP. Single pin picking. What is the term used when you try to randomly set pins? Raking. This type of lock is typically cheap, low quality, and found on low security applications such as office desk cabinet. It is a wafer lock. This type of peak profile is usually used when single pin picking. Hook. When single pin picking, this term refers to when you feel like you have set a pin and the core rotates singly. Offset. This type of security drive pin gives several clicks as it picking. Third. Okay, forward. Lock anatomy. What is the interface between two pins in a pin stack referred to as? Share line. Yeah. Share. What are the pins on the bottom half of a pin stack referred to as? It's key. What are the pins on the top half of a pin stack? Driver. What non-shimmable elements do padlock use to keep the shackle in place? What is the piece that allow locking lugs to retract when the core is turned? What piece of a standard door latch should remain completely depressed when the door is closed to prevent loading slipping of the latch? It's that latch. What is the locking mechanism that has a bolt which protrudes into the frame of the door from opening? That bolt. Okay, padlock bypassing. A lock which is unshielded is susceptible to what bypass tool? A knife. A lock which has spring-loaded locking lugs can be bypassed with what tool? Which shield? Combination locks such as master lock to bypass which method known as decoding. A master lock is infamous for its ability to be bypassed using what type of bypass? Mini knife. What bypass method uses key cut to the lower steep and kinetic energy to bounce the drive pins above the shear line and allow a lock to be open? Bumping. Locks which have spring-loaded locking lugs can be opened by taping a hammer on the side of the lock. What is this attack method called? Raping. What type of pig takes advantage of lazy manufacturing practices by lifting all the K-pins and drive pin above the shear line to bypass a lock? Comb. What tool can be wiggled inside the keyway of wafer locks to simulate the biting of the key and open the lock? Jiggler. Okay, now hardware bypassing. What tool is used to reach under a door and activate a handle from the inside? It's under the door. What tool can be used to bypass a set of double doors which have a crash bar on the secure side? It's double door. What item can be used to widen the gaps between doors and door frame of between double doors to allow for other bypass to automobile entry? It's air wedge. An improperly hung door which opens away from you can be bypassed using shim. Was shim. An improperly hung door which opens away from you can be bypassed using traveler hook. What type of material can be used to go over the door to grab the secure side handle when an under door tool is not able to use film? Connect Air can be used to bypass what type of door control hardware? It's Rex sensor. Okay, and Adam's right hardware fixture are bypass where key and activate the locking mechanism. What kind of shielding? Okay, and cracks. Okay, the room is done. Congrats. See ya.